Hello friends, I am Miss Priyanka Jirge, Assistant Professor in Department of Mathematics at Arts, Science and Commerce College, Ramananagar, Pune. Today we will see the examples of system of homogeneous equations. Hello friends, I am Miss Priyanka Jirge, Assistant Professor in Department of Mathematics at Arts, Science and Commerce College, Ramananagar, Pune. Today we will see the examples of system of homogeneous equations. So let us take one example. Find the non-trivial solution of our equations are x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0, 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 0, 4x plus 5y plus 4z is equal to 0 and x plus 5 minus 2z is equal to 0. So how to solve this? First, we write this equation in the form of matrix, which is Ax is equal to Z. Since we have here homogeneous equations, so it can be written as A means matrix of coefficients, that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 4 and 1, 1 minus 2. Capital X means matrix of unknowns, which are x, y, z. And capital Z means this constant, but these constants are 0 here. So our first step is to write the augmented matrix AZ. So we write first augmented matrix AZ. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 1 minus 2. And here column matrix is 0. So our next step is we have to convert this augmented matrix or this matrix A into row echelon form by using row transformation. So for converting the given matrix in row echelon form, we have to make first these elements to be 0. So by performing R2 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 4 R1 and R4 minus R1, we can get these elements to be 0. So by R2 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 4 R1 and R4 minus R1, augmented matrix AZ is similar to first row as it is. 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, 1 minus 6 is minus 5, 4 minus 4 is 0, 5 minus 8 is minus 3 and 4 minus 12 is minus 8. Because we perform here R3 minus 4 R1. Then next we perform R4 minus R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. And here all the elements are 0. Now we have to make these elements to be 0. So by performing R3 minus 3R2 and R4 minus R2, we can get these elements to be 0. So R3 minus 3R2, R4 minus R2, we get augmented matrix AZ is similar to 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, 5, 0. Here minus 3 minus 3 is 0 and minus 8 minus 15, which is minus 8 plus 15 is 7 and here 0 minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1 which is 0 and minus 5 minus 5 is minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Here all the elements are 0. Now we have to make these elements to be 1. 7 is also work here, but we make 1 here. So by performing 1 by 7 RP, we get augmented matrix AZ equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, 5, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Here all the elements are 0. Now let us check whether this matrix is in row echelon form or not. Here in this matrix we get all the first non-zero rows receive the 0 rows. The number of zeros receiving the first non-zero element in a second, third and fourth row are 1, 2 and 3, which are in ascending order. Therefore, this matrix converted in row echelon form. Now we find the rank of matrix A and rank of matrix augmented matrix AB. So here first we find rank of matrix A. Here number of non-zero rows is equal to 3. Therefore we get rank of matrix A is equal to 3. And number of non-zero rows in whole augmented matrix AB is also 3. Therefore we have rank of augmented matrix AB is equal to 3. Sorry, AB is 0. Therefore, here we get R is equal to 3, which is equal to N, that is number of unknowns. Therefore, this system is consistent and has trivial solution. Therefore, we get the solution is x1 is equal to x2 is equal to x3 is equal to 0. Let us see another example. Next question is find the non-trivial solutions of x plus 2y. So x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y plus 6z is equal to 0. Solution. Again, first we write this equation in the form, in the matrix form Ax is equal to Z. Where A is a matrix of coefficients 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 5, 6. X is unknowns x, y, z, and x is matrix of unknowns and z is equal to 0 matrix. Now, our first step is write the augmented matrix AZ, which is one minus 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 0, 0, 0. Now we can convert this matrix in row echelon form. To convert this matrix in row echelon form, we have to make these elements to be 0 first. So by performing R2 minus 2R1, we can get these elements to be 0. So augmented matrix AZ is similar to 1 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 9 and 6 minus 6 is 0. Now this matrix is in row echelon form. So number of non-zero rows in matrix A, that is rank of matrix A is equal to 2. Also rank of augmented matrix AZ is also 2. That is here R is equal to 2 and N is equal to 3. That is in this case we get R less than N. That is rank of matrix A is less than number of unknowns. Therefore, the system is consistent but it has R number of solutions. So, to find R number of solutions, we have to use n minus R parameters. So, here n minus R, which is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, in this example, we have to use 1 parameter. So, first write this equation as this matrix can be written in equation as x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0 and second 9y is equal to 0. From this equation we have y is equal to 0. Now in this example we have to use one parameter. So we choose that parameter is c and I write either x is equal to c or z is equal to c. So I take z is equal to c. So by using z is equal to c and y is equal to 0 in this equation, we get x minus 0 plus 3c is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to minus 3c. Therefore, our solution is x is equal to minus 3c, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to c. If we take c is equal to 1, then our solution is x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 1. If we take x is equal to 2, then our solution is x is equal to minus 6, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2. So, in this way we can get infinite number of solutions. Then, let us take another example. Find the value of k. Our question is find the value of k such that the system of equations x plus ky plus 3z is equal to 0, 4x plus 3y plus kz is equal to 0 and 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0 has non-trivial solution. So in this example, given that these equations are consistent, only we have to find the value of k. So first we write these equations in the matrix form Ax is equal to z. So A is the coefficient matrix again 1 k 3 4 3 k 2 1 2. Our matrix of unknown is x y z and z is 0 matrix. Now first we write augmented matrix AZ. 1 k 3 4 3 k 2 1 2 0 0 0. Now we have to convert this matrix in row echelon form. But when we get k here, then now we have to convert this matrix in row echelon form. When we get k here, then we cannot talk about the whether it is in row echelon form or not, or we cannot talk about the rank of matrix. So I can replace the so I can interchange the first and third row. So we will get k in the third row. So by replacing or by interchanging first and third row, we get augmented matrix AJ as 2 1 2 4 3 k 1 k 3 0 0 0. Now we have to make these elements to be 0 by performing R2 minus 2R1 and R3 minus 1 by 2 R1. By performing R2 minus 2 R1 and R3 minus 1 by 2 R1. So augmented matrix AZ is similar to here. So first row as it is, 4 minus 4 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1 and k minus 2 into 2 is 4. Now 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, k minus 1 by 2 and 3 minus 1 by 2 into 2 is 1, so 3 minus 1 is 3. Here all the elements are 0. Now we have to make these elements to be 0. So by performing R3 minus k minus half R2, we can get these elements to be 0. So R3 minus k minus 1 by 2 R2. The augmented matrix AZ is equal to first row as it is, 0, k minus 1 by 2 into 1 into k minus 1 by 2 is k minus 1 by 2. So k minus 1 by 2 minus k minus 1 by 2 is 0 and 2 minus k minus half into this k minus 4. 0 0 0. Now let us see when we get this system has trivial or non-trivial solution. So if let us check, if we take 2 minus k minus half into k minus 4 is equal to 0, then what happens? If 2 minus k minus half k minus 4 is equal to 0. Let us check what happens when we take 2 minus k minus half into k minus 4 is equal to 0. So see, if this element is 0, then number of non-zero rows is equal to 2. So rank of matrix A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AZ is equal to 2. So we get rank of matrix A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AZ is equal to 2, and which is equal to R, and we have here n is equal to 3. So in that case we have r less than n. So in there so if we take 2 minus k minus half into k minus 4 is equal to 0, then we get a non-trivial solution. So solving this equation, 2 minus k, first I multiply 2 on both the sides, that is 4 minus 2k. So so by solving this equation we get the value, we can get the value of k. So by solving this equation we can get the value of k. Now let us solve this example equation. First I multiply by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4 minus 2k minus 1 into k minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let us solve this example. 2 minus, here we get k square minus 1 by 2 minus 4 is minus 9 by 2k plus 4 into 1 by 2 is 2 is equal to 0. So which implies 2 minus k square minus 9 by 2k minus 2 is equal to 0, which is being cancelled. So we get k square minus 9 by 2k is, plus is equal to 0, which implies k into k plus 9 by 2 is equal to 0, which implies k is equal to 0 and k is equal to minus 9 by 2. So when we get k is equal to 0 or k is equal to minus 9 by 2, then we get this system has non-trivial solution. Thank you. Bye.